Welcome to the channel where the future of renewable energy becomes opportunity. Today we will explore key trends in PV plus BESS projects and how to take advantage of them in the Iberian market. This image highlights the synergy between solar energy and BESS systems, which guarantee flexibility and resilience in an increasingly dynamic market. The increasing penetration of renewables requires solutions that stabilize the grid and increase responsiveness to the variability of solar and wind generation. In this image, we see how BESS is transforming the energy market by offering ancillary services and participation in new markets. Storage is key to maximizing renewables integration, reducing intermittency and enabling frequency regulation and operational reserve. Well-designed projects are capturing additional revenues by participating in specific storage markets. This ensures both grid stability and solid financial returns, making BESS an essential component of the energy future. This summary image shows key trends, such as cost reductions in batteries and advances in flow and solid-state technologies. Lithium-ion battery costs have fallen by 60% in the last 5 years, making previously unviable projects now profitable. Emerging technologies such as solid-state batteries offer greater energy density, improving operational efficiency and attracting investor interest. These advances position storage as one of the most promising areas for long-term investment. The image details how EU programs and regulatory developments are encouraging storage and renewables projects. The MRR program and other European initiatives are providing significant funding and subsidies, while Iberian regulations are simplifying connection processes and fostering specific markets for storage. These changes not only facilitate project implementation, but also ensure regulatory stability for investors. Adapting to this regulatory framework allows developers to capture unique opportunities in the energy transition. The image highlights how pilot projects and flexible business models are defining the future of the sector. Projects designed with the flexibility to switch between energy sales, ancillary services and PPAs are optimizing profit margins and adapting to dynamic conditions. This allows investors to diversify revenues and reduce risks, ensuring long-term sustainable returns. Pilot projects with solid-state batteries are demonstrating technical and economic feasibility, setting new standards. The image shows how virtual power plants (VPPs) are aggregating resources to maximize profitability. VPPs allow small solar and BESS systems to participate in wholesale and ancillary service markets, optimizing revenues and increasing grid resilience. This trend is transforming how distributed resources are managed, offering new investment opportunities. Participating in VPPs allows investors to benefit from economies of scale and diversification in a highly competitive market. Today we explored how emerging trends are redefining PV plus BESS projects, from technological innovations to regulatory and market opportunities. If you're ready to take advantage of these trends and maximize the success of your projects, contact me on LinkedIn for one-on-one consulting. Together we can transform the future of renewable energy.